Uh, Good morning to all my dear friends and respected Mahagurus. This is the particular park near my house where I come to jog and to run. And I like this particular tree. I think it is a banyan tree, and you can see how old it is. You can see its branches and its boughs taking the formation in a very meandering way. And this is the particular park I am talking about, and this park is full of dense trees and the rich vegetation is also there. One of the salient features of this park is that it is very well maintained, and you can hear the sound of cuckoo also. And it is a park which has been meticulously planned and taken care by the so-called judiciary department. Judiciary complex is the place where this park is located. And I want to share one great feeling with all of you, that we all are nature lovers in one way or the other. Among all the flora and the fauna and the biotic and the abiotic spheres of life, I mostly prefer trees. Whenever I am in a little sordid mood or in a monotonous mood where I need peace and tranquility, where I need to confine to myself in a solitary kind of confinement, I generally come to this area. I sit under the huts. You can see the small huts are being made, and see these big trees. The more bigger the tree, the more rejuvenated, revived I feel. I feel there is a particular godly power in these trees which has the great ability to heal you. And you see now, it is such a wonderful spectacle or the view. And when you see the green foliage and you can hear the voice of so-called the certain kind of insects, okay, particular one insect which is found in abundance in this particular park is the cricket and the grasshopper. And you can see all these variety of trees and such. This is, I think, the gooseberry tree, and it is such a miracle herb. And in Ayurveda it has abundance of healing opportunities, healing characteristics of this. This is the big and tall hibiscus tree, and this is the another tree. Why I am making these nature videos is that I really love that Aryan, please come. I really love these big trees, and these big trees, under it I used to sit under its shades at times when I am writing poetry, when I am compiling my notes. I never desire anything else, or at times when I am repulsed from the human company, I generally try to get in contact with these trees. And you see how tall they are. It is not such a big park, it has a very limited area, but see how tall they are. See these trees, how beautiful it is, how marvelously maintained it is. See this, the another tree. And it is you will be totally amazed to see that in a small city like this, where, and even if you will travel close to 15 to 16 kilometers, you will find there is a herbal park. I have posted the videos on that also. So overall these trees, and you can see it is completely in a line, that it is being all the trees or the saplings which has grown into big trees have been planted. And you see all these trees, they are a big source of not only of oxygen, but their healing property is tremendous. And just 20 to 30 kilometers from here you will find the foothills of the Himalayas, because it is a tri-junction place where you have your border with the surrounding Uttaranchal and Himachal, as well as that of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. So it is a very wonderful area, and slowly you have to acclimatize yourself with the change in the demography, the topography, and there is a slight mist in the air also. And still the temperature, although it is now the mercury is touching close to 35 to 36 in this particular district, but still when you come early in the morning and when you are walking with the full steam and you are running with the full exercises and vigorously compiling all these, this is the particular park which is very close to me. Thank you so much for watching this, and you can also post the same. Thank you very much.